Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel Institute Rank. Are you searching for the best NEET coaching in your city Chandigarh? Then you should definitely watch this video till the end as I'll be discussing with you top 4 institutes for best NEET preparations in your city Chandigarh. Before beginning the video, kindly subscribe our channel and press the bell icon below. So without further delay, let us begin the video. At rank 1, we have Balaji Coaching Center. Balaji Coaching Center is one of the best destinations for the medical or non-medical examination or other competitive examinations and is located in Chandigarh. The faculty is selected and excellently experienced team of mentors and caters according to the student's need. Now, let us discuss the features of the institute. So the very first is result-oriented classes. So result-oriented classes are what the institute is all about. If you are pursuing a course that helps you to gain more marks, then it is actually an advantage. At number 2, we have quality content study materials. Study materials offered in the institute are way too better than any medical coaching classes in Chandigarh. At last, we have experienced and special team of educators. So, the best teaching faculty who are offering great training to the students are available in this Balaji Medical Coaching Center. Now, let us talk about the address. So, the address of the institute includes SCO 276 first floor sector 32D Chandigarh 160030. Their contact number is 09217 677 2727 and the fee structure of the institute for a normal 1 year is approximately a sum of rupees 1 lakh and for 2 year it is rupees 1,80,000. The batch size of the institute includes 25 students per batch. And the website of the institute is Balaji Coaching Center, that is www.balajicoachingcenter.com. At rank 2, we have Vidya Mandir classes. So, as the name suggests, it is a temple of knowledge. Vidya Mandir classes, or popularly known as VMC, is a hub of engineering students. So, Vidya Mandir classes is one of the best medical coaching classes in Chandigarh. Both students and parents have lots of trust in the institute since it has been the hub of millions of engineering candidates. Moreover, Vidya Mandir classes in Chandigarh strive hard along with the students to provide a better education for the students. Some of the salient features of the institute includes 800 hours of sessions in a 2-year program. Then we have physics, chemistry and biology for medical entrance exam, 4 days per week for regular classroom sessions, whereas students who are unable to take up part in regular classroom sessions can make use of the weekend courses, and 2 classes on daily basis for a regular basis and 4 days in a weekend batch. 12 hours per week is the total classroom session. Weekly tests are conducted and 150 hours of complete course structure. Moreover, half an hour test sessions on a daily basis for the regular batch is organized by the institute. Now, let us talk about the address, contact number, fee structure and batch size of the institute. So, the address of the institute is 291718 Top floor Dakshin Marg, Subsidy Center, Sector 22C, Chandigarh 160022. Their contact numbers are 085 888 36977 and 9356 819515. Now, let us move towards the fee structure. So, the fee for a normal 1-year course is a sum of rupees 1,40,000 rupees and for 2 years it is 2,80,000 rupees. The batch size in this institute is 20 students per batch. At rank 3, we have Dr. Khera's Medical Coaching. So, Dr. Khera's Chandigarh Coaching Center is the leading educational platform for your competitive examination and the team of professional motivators. This academy is built to impart quality coaching session for your competition. And Dr. Khera's Chandigarh Coaching Center is fully devoted to their students and helping them while providing each necessary facility related to their training session. Now, let us talk about their address. So, the address of Dr. Khera's Institute includes 240910 Himalaya Mark 22C, Sector 22, Chandigarh 160022. The contact number of the institute is 0172 461 0461 and the fee structure for a normal 1 year is a sum of rupees 1,35,000. The batch size here is approximately 35 to 40 students in a batch. The last institute we'll be discussing in this video, which is also our rank 4 institute, is Helix Medical Coaching. So, Helix Coaching Classes in Chandigarh is one of the premier coaching center for the NEET preparation. The address of the institute is 343-345 top floor, sector 34A, Chandigarh 160022. Their contact number includes 0855-600-3939 and 9988880690. The fee structure of the institute is rupees 1,33,500 rupees for a normal 1 year course, and the batch size here is approximately 60 students in a batch. So these were our top 4 institutes for best NEET preparations in your city, Chandigarh. I hope you have got enough knowledge regarding all these institutions. For more information and updates like this, kindly subscribe our channel and press the bell icon below so you will not miss any updates from the channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.